Imagine creating stunning, one-of-a-kind artwork without lifting a finger or possessing any artistic skills. It may sound too good to be true, but with the power of AI technology, it's now a reality. In this groundbreaking video, we will guide you through the simple yet revolutionary process of generating incredible AI art that not only captivates but also brings in massive profits. Get ready to witness the magic of AI and discover the secret to making $250 per day with AI art. Grab your phone or laptop, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. To access Midjourney, you simply need to visit midjourney.com and sign up for an account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to use the tool through Discord, a popular online chat program. Within Discord, you'll find the newbie tabs, where the magic happens. Here, you can interact with the AI bot by providing prompts and asking it to create unique images. The process is as simple as using the / command, imagine, followed by your desired prompt. The AI will work its magic and generate astonishing images based on your request. While many users are already utilizing Midjourney for various creative purposes, we're taking it a step further in this video. Now, let's delve into the process of creating exceptional AI art with Midjourney. Midjourney will captivate buyers and sellers like crazy. To begin, use the imagine command followed by a prompt to request an abstract concept. For instance, you can type abstract neon art and hit enter. Midjourney will generate a set of images based on your prompt, presenting you with various options to choose from. Once you've selected a desired image, let's say version 4 in this example, you can take it to the next level by upscaling it. Use the command upscale U4 to generate a larger version of the image, showcasing its intricate details and vibrant colors. But we're not stopping there. We want to create unique and highly appealing artwork that targets specific interests. To achieve this, click on the image to open it in its original size and copy its link. Return to Discord and use the imagine command again, followed by a prompt. This time, paste the image link and combine it with an interest that resonates with a particular audience. For instance, let's say we want to create an image that would attract car enthusiasts. We'll paste the image link, followed by the keyword Lamborghini, and hit enter. This approach allows us to layer different styles and concepts, resulting in extraordinary artwork that blends the abstract with the specific interests of our target audience. To maximize the sales potential of our AI-generated art, we need to identify and target specific niches that resonate with our potential buyers. By combining captivating art styles, such as abstract neon designs, with niche interests, we create artwork that appeals to a certain type of person. To further expand our reach, we can explore other niches using tools like ChatGPT, an AI chatbot that generates ideas. For example, if we want to appeal to men aged 18 to 30, we can ask ChatGPT for a list of niches that might interest them. It provides suggestions such as sports and fitness, technology, gaming, and more. Let's focus on gaming as an example niche. Gaming enthusiasts often seek unique and visually appealing artwork related to their favorite games. Now let's dive into the strategies for monetizing the AI-generated art we have created. There are two main approaches that can generate revenue from these unique and eye-catching images. The first strategy involves selling the digital image itself on platforms like Etsy.com. Etsy is a popular marketplace where people buy and sell physical and digital products, including artwork. By listing your AI-generated art as a digital print, customers can purchase and download the image to use as a screensaver, print it for wall decor, or in any other way they prefer. In comparison to existing listings on Etsy, your AI-generated art stands out and offers a higher quality option for potential buyers. To get started with this strategy, you simply need to create a free Etsy account, set up your store, and upload your images as PNG files. List your AI art under relevant categories or niche keywords such as gaming digital print to attract the right audience. However, it's important to note that competition in this category is quite high, as seen by the thousands of results on Etsy. To increase your chances of success, consider using tools like eRank, an Etsy-specific tool that helps you identify less competitive but high search volume niche keywords. By focusing on specific niches within the gaming digital print market, you can target customers who are more likely to appreciate and purchase your unique artwork. Now, let's move on to the second strategy, which is my preferred approach. Print on demand is a business model that allows you to sell products online without the need for upfront inventory. With print on demand, you can upload your AI-generated designs onto various products, such as t-shirts, wall art, and more. Companies like Printful.com handle the printing and shipping process for you, fulfilling orders as they come in. This eliminates the need for inventory management and upfront costs. To get started with print on demand, you can sign up for a free Printful account using the referral link provided in the description. Once you have an account, you can explore the available product templates and choose a suitable option, such as a wall art template. Simply upload your AI-generated image onto the chosen template, ensuring that it meets the required quality and size specifications. One challenge with AI-generated images is that they may not always have the desired resolution for larger prints. In such cases, you can utilize additional AI technology like AI Image Enlarger. This tool allows you to enlarge your image while maintaining quality, enabling you to create larger prints without compromising on resolution. After using the AI Image Enlarger, you can upload the higher quality image to Printful for printing on bigger canvases or prints. Once you have created your product template, you can begin selling your AI-generated print-on-demand products. Printful offers various integrations, including Shopify, which allows you to set up an online store and connect it to Printful. This integration enables you to seamlessly sync your product listings, process orders, and automate the fulfillment process. To increase your chances of success, consider targeting specific niches or audiences with your print-on-demand products. You can create designs tailored to different interests, such as motivational prints for entrepreneurs or gaming-themed artwork for gamers. By understanding your target audience and offering unique, high-quality AI-generated designs, you can attract potential customers who are willing to purchase your products. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.